So we have studied living beings respire. Only living beings they respire, and non-living beings they do not respire. Now let's come to next characteristic, that is living beings throw out waste. So only living beings they throw out waste, and non-living things they do not throw out waste. The life processes that go on inside the body produce waste such as carbon dioxide and water. So inside our body various life processes they keep on going, various functions they are being performed, and at the end carbon dioxide and water they are produced as a waste. We throw out waste from the body in the form of sweat, urine and feces. So in these form we throw out waste from our body. Feces is the waste matter remaining after food digestion. Now the process of throwing out waste from the body is called excretion. The process of throwing out waste from body is called excretion. Now the process by which waste is thrown out of the body, that is known as excretion. So this is the process of throwing out waste in animals. Now plants, they are also living beings. They also have to throw out their waste. How plants they are throwing out waste, how they are getting rid of their waste. Now let's study that. Plants give off gases through minute pores present in their leaves. So plants they give off gases like carbon dioxide, which is their waste, which is produced by plants, and they have to throw it out of the plant body. Then on the leaf, suppose this is a leaf, on the leaf small pores are present. These are the pores. So from these pores plants they give off the gases. So from the small pores which are there on the leaves, plants they are giving out only gaseous waste, but they cannot throw out solid waste from the small pores which are there on the leaves. So they store these in parts of their body. Now the plants they will store the waste, solid waste, in the parts of their body, like leaves. In leaves they will store the solid waste, and in bark. Now when they shed their leaves and bark, now when the plants they will shed their leaves and bark in which they have stored the waste accumulated in them gets expelled. Now the waste which is stored in the leaves and bark, it will also be thrown out. As you can see in this picture, trees get rid of solid waste stored in their leaves when they shed their leaves. Now trees they will get rid of solid waste when solid waste it will get collected in the bark, leaves, and when the trees they will shed these leaves and bark, then along with it waste will also be thrown out of the plant.